Yes, sir.
Anyone? B4. Puja. Permitted. Next, anyone? Oh, leave it. Who joined, who not joined, it is your problem. What is the last problem we covered, Amma?
Cone.
Cone. Very good. So I told that up to 40% of problems are expected from that. Take next problem. Isometric view of a truncated solid. Note down. Isometric view of a truncated solids. Isometric view of a truncated solids. Noted down.
Yes, sir.
Isometric view of a truncated solids. Okay. Take first problem. Draw an isometric view of the frustum. Draw an isometric view of the frustum. Truncated spelling TRUNCATED. Truncated కనపడుతుంది కింద చూస్తే. Draw an isometric view of the frustum. Frustum, FRUSTUM. Frustum. Draw an isometric view of frustum of a hexagonal pyramid. Of a hexagonal pyramid. Of a hexagonal pyramid having 35 mm base side, having 35 mm base side, having 35 mm base side, comma 20 mm top side, 20 mm top side, 20 mm top side, and 70 mm long axis, and 70 mm long axis, and 70 mm long axis, resting on its base on the HP, 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 with an edge of the base parallel to VP, with an edge of the base parallel to VP, with an edge of the base parallel to VP. Noted down. With an edge of the base parallel to VP.
Yes, sir.
Right. Before concluding class, I given one small assignment. What is that, Amma? What is that? Can you remember? Yes. Anyone? What is the assignment I given? I want response. Yes, anyone? Pragati, Satvik, Harshita, Sahil, Sneha, Siddham Pooja, Akshaya, C9 Pooja, Aditya, Srija, Pranati,
Sir, operation word.
yes, Amma.
Operation word you said to find.
Operation, very good, very good. Ante mind దగ్గర ఉంది ante. You people are listening my class, very good. I felt very happy. Okay. Operation word is applicable for biological terminology or engineering terminology?
Both.
Both. Example ira. Example. Both in medical as well as.
Sir, operation means
Operation
treatment like that
means
in biology.
Construction steps
Yes, Amma.
like that. Constructing steps like that, sir.
ఆపరేషన్ అంతేనా లేదురా
Method.
నీ హాస్పిటల్కి వెళ్తే ఆపరేషన్ చేస్తారు నీకు హాస్పిటల్కి వెళ్తే ఇమీడియట్ ఆపరేషన్ చేస్తారా
Process,
Can
sir.
we-
Process.
Oh, process. Okay. Why they will do that process? What is the purpose behind doing that process? Anyone? Any response? We engineers do operation, huh?
No,
First
sir.
they will check the problem. First they will check problem.
That is different. Whether we will perform operation or not, two questions.
We
Yes,
won't perform
the way-
medical operations, sir.
లేదు no engineering operation, no engineering operation.
We perform engineering operation, but we don't perform medical operation.
Okay, and that is the thing. What is the difference between medical and engineering, Amma? What is the difference between
Medical
course
deals
and-
with living organisms, and we deal
very
with
good.
non-living.
They are dealing with living organism. We are dealing with non-living organism. Okay, but we are dealing with organism, na? Then, చెప్పండ్రా. Okay. We also do operation, Amma. Whenever our component does not work, before purchasing mobile, what you will see, whether it is serviceable or not. X or no, any product, whether it may be
Yes,
cell
sir.
phone, whether it may be fridge, whether it may be TV, how service we are able to get it. In service, we will remove. One thing you remember, Amma, operation is to study internal architecture. Operation is to study operation
Internal
baitik-
architecture.
internal architecture of any product. If your cell phone is not working, you will start removing cell phone, you will check your battery, you will check your SIM. Can you do it?
Yes,
But
sir.
it's a closed loop. You will open everything, you will cross check. If something is not working, you will go for replacement. If something repair is required. So always remember that the concept is there. Okay. What do you mean by truncated, Amma? What do you mean by truncated? What do you mean by truncated? Can you heard this word in your past endeavor? Can you heard? Make it fast statement. Otherwise, without giving basic knowledge, I will start
No, sir.
solving problem.
No, sir.
No, okay. Can you heard the word frustum? Frustum?
Yes, sir.
Where and why?
In mathematics only.
How?
In shape.
In math. Shape. I will give
Solid.
one situation.
3D solid.
Lies between two or three parallel lines.
Ledamma. Vinandi.
Sir, bottom large and top small it will be.
That is called frustum. I will give one situation. I will give one situation, listen carefully. How onion will be served in hotel, Amma? How onions will be served? How onions will be served? Hotel కి వెళ్ళారా లేదా?
Yes, sir.
How?
By slicing.
Slicing, okay. How you will use onion in your home? Normally we will cut into number of 4 parts. Agree? Agree?
Sir.
How onion will be served in Pani Puri center?
They will chop.
Now tell me, what is the difference between slice, difference between Pani Puri, same onion, and between home? Can you tell me what we did, Dhamma? Can you have lemon directly? Can you have lemon directly?
No, sir. Oh, we have to.
Lemon
No, sir.
without cutting. Can you have it?
No,
No, sir.
No. Okay. Onion.
Yes, sir.
Onion. ఆ పైన లేయర్ ను తీయద్దు, అంతే తినాలి. తింటావా?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Mohammedan. Orange. Orange.
No, sir.
Banana.
No, sir.
What you are doing, Ra? What you all are doing to have all these components? What
We
you are
peel the
doing?
skin, sir.
Whatever it may be, you do. That operation is called truncated, means to cut the object. Truncated, one more meaning is cut. Make it. You see that I told that slices. If you cut that component parallel to HP, knife enta pettavu parallel to HP slices, parallel to VP slices. Onion చూసు literally ఇంటి కిచెన్ దగ్గర వెళ్ళు, parallel to PP slices. What is that, Amma? If you keep your knife surface parallel to HP, parallel to VP, parallel to PP, that component is called frustum. That component is called frustum. Frustum means parallel to. It should be parallel to any plane. We have 3 plane. But when I give an example of Pani Puri, what I told? Emara rule unda? Any rule we kept? Any rule he kept? Observe చేశారా లేదంటే ఈ సాయంత్రం పానీపూరికి వెళ్ళండి. If something goes wrong, don't blame me. I not asked you to have pani puri. I asked you to how he is cutting the onion, see and come back. Can you do it? The slices pieces will be in a different pattern. It may be triangle, square, some component size. Chusara onion, that is called truncated. Truncated means cut the object. So now listen in this question. Title I given truncated. Truncated means we want to cut. But in question I used word frustum. Frustum means parallel to. Jagratam. Ice cream cone chusara. Can you see an ice cream cone?
Yes, sir.
How you will suck ice cream, Amma? Not from top, from bottom. Can you suck?
Yes, sir.
Can you suck ice cream? What you have to do? What you have to do? Ice cream, Amma. Very simple example ichanamma. Every day you all are crazy about ice creams. Cone ice cream. I am talking with respect to cone ice cream. Yes, anyone?
Bottom
What you will do?
will bite.
You won't do anything. Please tell me fast.
We will bite, sir.
Huh?
Bite at the bottom.
Bottom you have to cut. If you cut that bottom towards apex, what is the shape you will get, Amma? What is the shape you will get?
Circle.
Circle. What is the difference between the top circle, that is a base circle, and that circle, Amma? What is the difference?
Diameter.
Diameter only difference, object will remain same. Thank you. So understand, here hexagon is given. Its side is 35 mm. It is cut by, Vinandi, Jagratam. See that figure, 35. Top side is 35. I taken 35. Sorry, I have to use circle method, Amma. Merge poyano. Because it is hexagon. Hexagona? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Object. I forgotten that. Take 35 mm radius. Take this circle. Draw the hexagon. Now divide this. Now cut hexagon from this corner, top, bottom. Top, bottom. Join them. This is hexagon with a side of 35 mm. With a side of 35 mm. Got it? This is bottom side. Now, first time I am naming A1, B1, C1, D1, E1, F1. You see earlier figure. I always named ABCD, but first time I am naming. Construct this PQRS. Parallel line. Parallel line. Perpendicular. Perpendicular. See that. I am naming this as P1, Q1, R1, S1. Getting my point? Getting my point. First time I named P1, Q1, R1, S1. Then here inside is also hexagon. How much it is? 20. How much is given? 20 radius. Take 20 radius. This 20. Center as O. Draw the, or sorry. Draw this circle. Same hexagon, 20 up, 20 down, 20 up, 20 down. Join them. I am naming this as A, B, C, D, E, F. This is 20, this is 35. How I drawn PQRS? I will draw parallel line here. Draw perpendicular line. This is PQRS. Inside is PQRS, outside is P1, Q1, R1, S1. Got it my point? Understand? Yes, sir. ಇದು
Yes,
ಫಸ್ಟ್
sir.
ಫಿಗರ್ ಡ್ರಾ చేయాలమ్మా whenever you are using truncated or frustum. Now see that how to proceed. Listen here. I will take from here horizontal line. Mark this point. Take protractor. Measure. Can you note down this figure? Shall I keep it 2 minutes?
Yes, sir.
Note down, amma. Make it fast. Finished?
Yes, sir.
Listen. Take this 30. 30 degree. 30 degree. Draw this line. Draw this line. See, this is 30 degree, 30 degree. Always first you have to take P1, Q1. You see, I will measure P1, Q1. How much it is, amma? 70. How much it is coming? 70. P1, S1. It is coming 62. 70, 62. See that. From here, I will measure 70. This is P1, Q1, 70. This is 62.
Total blur.
Yes. 62. S1 parallel to this 70. 62. So now this is base. P1, Q1, R1, S1. Height how much, amma? 70. Take 70 from here. This is 70. If it is P1, make it P11. 70. Jagratam, naming will change. Take this R11. Naming here 70. Q11. This is 70. S11. Join. P11. All join in box. First thing, you are able to create the box of big box, bottom base. Got it? Box is ready. See. Now, listen carefully. What is the relation between P1, Q1, PQ, Amma? What is the relation between P1, Q1, PQ? This line, what is the relation?
Parallel.
Parallel. What is the relation? Parallel. What is the
Parallel.
relation? Parallel. What is the
Parallel.
relation? Parallel. Okay. Listen carefully. I will measure this distance. How much it is? 13. Kanpadtunda? 13. It should be 13. How much it is? 15. It is 15. Vinnandi, Jagratam. Here only the things you have to do. So this is 15 from this side. Measure 15 from this side. This is 15. 15 from this side. 15 from this side. 13 from this side. 13 from this side. Draw the parallel lines. This parallel line. This parallel line. This parallel line. This parallel line. See that. The inside portion you got is PQRS, Amma. Jagratam. How we constructed? This is parallel to this. 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 Same thing. It is parallel to this. 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 Same concept. PQRS lopa ravali. Now, first keep this object A, B, C, D, top face. 9. Keep this object. 20. So this is A, B. It is center point. C. It is center point. F. Take this point. This is A, B, C. This is D. This is E. Once you kept this face in PQRS, keep A1, B1 on bottom face. How much it is? Measure. It is coming 16. See that. From here, it is 16. Measure 35. So this is A1, B1, midpoint. C1, this is midpoint. F1, 16. A1, B1, C1, this is D1, E1, and this is F1. I marked all the points with respect to base as well as with respect to top face. Now join them. Top face first join cheyali. A to B, B to C, C to D, D to E, E to F, F to A. See, top face అయిపోయింది. Take extreme end E, E to E1, E1 to F1, F1 to A1, A1 to B1, B1 to B, extreme ends, intermediate points, A to A1, F to F1. This is hexagon, amma, frustum. Here we don't have apex. Apex is far away, but top face, bottom face. Idu draw cheyali. Be careful regarding this figure. And in exam, so many times this problem will appear. Wait, I will take attendance. Note down this figure. Once finished, let me know. If you want, I will make it zoom.
Sir,
Draw
once
new.
once
Yes, Amma.
PQR construction.
This PQ ఏం చేయలేదురా. ఈ relation I know. Same figure. This box is equal to this box. Same distance I measured. If you have mini drafter, what I did, I measured P1 to A1. I measured B1 to Q1, P1 to A1, B1 to Q1. And same, this value I kept here, both sides. Next, I measured, what I measured here, F1 to F, C to C1, F1 to F, C to C1, same distance, parallel. I marked this point, or you can mark this line. So when we marked this distance, we got parallel lines. And on that parallel lines, we got PQRS. I transferred this hexagon on PQRS. Bottom face is on base. I transferred in bottom face. Top face, extreme ends, intermediate points. That is the way you have to draw this figure. That's why it is called frustum. Frustum means we are cutting parallel to. When you cut ice cream cone from towards apex, it is also circle, amma. So that circle, base circle. If it is hexagon, it is hexagon. If it is a frustum object, if it is pentagon, it is pentagon. If it is circle, it is also circle. Once this session wind up, then again I will take new problem. If you want, I will send screenshots also. Okay. But try to note down, amma. If finished, please let me know.